What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel today. So today I just have a quick video here, how to fix the front end of your dirt bike after a crash if it's been twisted. As you can see, mine here, the fender is not in the middle of the tire at all. So how to fix this is relatively simple. Nothing's really bent. I mean, you could bend your bars and stuff like that, but generally what happens is you just need to loosen the axle bolt, the pinch bolts, and all the suspension bolts up here, and generally everything will realign. So let's loosen that now and see what happens. Okay, I like to loosen the axle nut first. This is a 22 millimeter. And our pinch bolts here. Still looks out of whack. So let's loosen all our suspension bolts here. You also need to think about taking a measurement or writing down or putting something, because your forks might drop. So I'm gonna get a quick measurement here of my fork height. You can use a ruler or something if you don't have calipers. Now everything here should be pretty loose and able to move around. I like to remove the front number plate as well and loosen these bar mounts, because those can also get twisted. 17 millimeter for these. And then we're gonna loosen the bars. Okay, now that everything's loose, it should return itself back to normal here. That looks good. And then you just tighten everything back up. 30 foot-pounds. And your bars are going to get torqued to 21 foot-pounds. Means you kind of want to go back and forth and keep the gap even. And before tightening the axle nut and the pinch bolts down here, you want to drop the bike off the stand, push down, make sure the front's moving smoothly. Seems to be. We're going to torque the axle nut to 77 foot-pounds. And the pinch bolts now we can tighten, and those are also 15 foot-pounds. Okay, and with that side still loose, I like to bounce it one more time. Just to make sure everything's still feeling good. And now we can torque this side down to 15 foot-pounds. This bike will be coming apart for a suspension service here soon. So I didn't grease anything, but this would also be a good time to grease your front axle and all your bearings and everything else. Things look much straighter now, so I'm going to put the number plate back on, and this one will be done. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you had any questions, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next video.